5 tips for cleaning your space safely. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. When we talk about the term house cleaning, what comes to mind is generally organizing clutter, removing dust, and cleaning or mopping surfaces and floors. But it does mean more than that. While cleaning, people neglect the aspect of safety during the process. One thing is certain: accidents happen. Of course, we don't want these to happen, but we can always do our part to mitigate the chances of these accidents happening. We need to be able to prevent injuries, keep the environment safe and healthy, and then boost morale and productivity. Prevention of accidents can even help protect an employer from any potential fines or indemnities. At FastKlean, we believe that cleaning safely should become a priority on the minds of anyone that wants to start the process. When you begin to move your items around, consider the possibilities of slips, trips, accidental fires, injuries, etc. Every day, we, as humans, need to be extra careful when we go about our home chores. Whether it is a simple cleaning or deep cleaning that requires you to keep moving items around, keep safety in mind. Hello and good day to you. We are FastKlean, a licensed and authorized cleaning company located in the United Kingdom. At FastKlean, we believe it is our job to make sure that your cleaning needs are satisfied. Whether we are contracted to do the job for you, or we are hired to give our expert advice on how some areas of cleaning should be done, trust us to do our best. In this video, we will be looking at cleaning from a different perspective: safety. We do not neglect safety, and we always urge our clients and potential clients to do the same. Getting straight to the point, we will be answering this question. What are those safety tips one should bear in mind while cleaning? Have you had any cleaning accidents since you started to clean spaces by yourself? If not, then you are lucky. But if yes, then we are sure you would not want a recurrence of something like that. So stay tuned and learn how to stay safe while cleaning your space. Number 1. Avoid rushing the cleaning process. Every other cleaning tip seems to stem from this one, so we can call this the mother tip. Cleaning can seem very tiring, mostly when you are not used to it, or when you have not done it in a very long while. We understand how this feels, because everybody must have been there before. However, the fact that you are tired is not enough reason to forget all about safety while you are trying to get the work done. Instead of doing it haphazardly, it is always better to pause or rest until you are ready to do it. Take a break, rest, take a glass of water or liquid, sit in an air-conditioned environment, or under the fan, or go outside to get some air. After a while, you will definitely feel revitalized, and then you can always continue the cleaning process. Number 2. Be safety conscious while climbing step stools and ladders. There are always those tasks that will require you to deal with heights. They could come in the form of washing or cleaning windows, ceilings, or ceiling fans. These kinds of tasks will require step stools and ladders. When you use this equipment, it is always better to do so with extreme caution. There have been recorded cases where these items give way due to so much weight or careless use. Instead of leaning too much on them, try to evenly adjust your weight. A rule of thumb suggests that the tummy area should not pass the sides of the ladder. If it is possible, you can always have someone hold this equipment for you while they are in use. Also, clean them properly to remove traces of moisture, and try not to wear the wrong shoes while climbing them. Number 3. Move pieces of equipment around with extreme care. If you have to clean or mop the under of your furniture, you might want to move them. It is good practice to do so. But when you try to lift them without using the proper lifting techniques, you might be putting yourself in harm's way. You should lift them, keeping your back straight, and try lifting with your legs first. While doing this, you might want to wear your shoes, so you do not hurt your toes. Also, if you cannot lift or move it along, get someone to help you or just clean around it and wait for the next opportunity. Your house will not be entirely dirty if you do not address that one spot. Number 4. Use proper cleaning agents and read instructions. Cleaning supplies may create some nasty fumes and odors, so you may need to open the windows or allow a better flow of air. If you want to make homemade cleaning products, avoid mixing things you do not know about. Stick to one product and confirm its potency before switching to the next. Rubber gloves and nose masks are also very important when cleaning to avoid those fumes and dust from getting into your nostrils. FastKlean has a reputation for using the right eco-friendly products, which will not cause any harm to you or your household. And until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.